Hello everybody, Smosey back again. I'm back with a football hobby break. I got one box of 2013 Panini Spectra. Now each box comes with 6 autographs and 6 mem cards per box. So we're looking at 6 packs of 5 cards each. I picked this up actually at a card show for $125. I think you can find them on like Blowout for $135. So pretty reasonable break for Spectra. I'm looking for get some vet hits and also some maybe a low number of vet base cards. Make some good value there. And there's a few good 2013 rookies to look for. So I was pretty excited. I've opened up mini boxes, but I've never opened up a full box of Spectra. So hopefully I can get at least one really nice card out of here. I love Spectra. Get all the boxes out. Alright. Box 1. And clear packs is kind of weird, but try not to look. Kind of surprised me too. Alright, Rookie Revolution. Stedman Bailey rookie card. I'll just leave him down here. And that's numbered at 25. Woo, a low number. Oh yeah. For my Bengals, AJ Green, Andy Dalton dual jersey. Now I can complain about that. And that's numbered to 99. Very cool. And the second hit out of this box, Zach Dysart. Rookie card. That's number to 25. 2 cards number to 25 in that box. And Wright and Tannehill. Alright, I like the Bengal card. Some good low number. Let's get some good low numbered awesome players. Box 2. Yeah, I'm trying not to look. Big old Geno Smith rookie card. This is Player of the Week card. I get one for each week. Nice vet here. Richard Sherman. I like the blue for the Seahawks blue. And that's numbered 98 out of 99. That's why I like that. Alright, first hit. Fred Jackson jersey. That's numbered to 99. 3 out of 99. Ace Sanders. Rookie card auto. Sticker auto numbered to 299. Alright, Jason Witten. And Bo. Alright. Let's see if we can get a big hit out of one of these. So far, yeah, okay. Fred Jackson, Ace Sanders, not the best. I like the Richard Sherman. Rookie of CPAT. Number 10 out of 99. Ryan Aspett. I think he's on the Saints now. Look at that patch autograph. On card auto. Very nice looking card there. Number to 25, another number to 25. And for the Lions, he playing pretty well. Zeke. Jersey, sticker auto. For the Lions, numbered 81 out of 99. That's a pretty nice one there. So 2 autos in that box. Then we got Victor Cruz and Dez Bryant. Alright, halfway through. We still got half to go. But we got tons of hits already. 12 hits. A big dead hit. Nice. City Limits Ray Rice. Number to 49. Kyle Rudolph. I think this is pink. It's like 1 or 2 of these per box. They're not numbered. Another bingle. Marcus Hunt, 3-color patch. Number to 25. Still looking for a gold. Spencer Ware, who just got hurt for the year, I think. Unfortunately, rookie autograph, number 299. That would have been a decent autograph before he got hurt. And then we got Cam Newton and Santonio Holmes. All right, 2 more. We got Julio Jones, blue. Bad looking card. Number to 99. Nice rookie auto here. Rodney Smith. I pulled so much Vikings hits. It's crazy. Numbered to 25. Nice. Rodney Smith. Earl Wolf. Another autograph. Number to 299. That's a bonus auto. The Sam Bradford plain jersey. Number to 299. Larry Fitzgerald and C.J. Spiller. All right, last check for a big hit here. If I count the hits, I think I get extra hits going on here. We got Tavon Austin, rookie of the week, week 10. Eddie Lacy, rookie, number to 99. We got Tavon Jackson, that's a vet jersey, number to 299. Little seam there. Okay, cool. Oh, saved the best card for last. Le'Veon Bell autograph, rookie auto. Nice. And that is on card. That is awesome. Numbered 25 out of 99. There we go. That's why 2013 can be some good value there. On card auto Le'Veon Bell. Third Le'Veon Bell I pulled in the last year. Rookie auto. Awesome. We got Bolden and Foster. Alright. Le'Veon Bell definitely pulled it out at the end for me. I think it was a little bit underwhelming, I would say, but let me see what hits I had. The guaranteed 12, so I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I did get 1 extra hit, so pretty fun break. So I think I'll break it again if I find it for 125 or less. Can't go too wrong. I didn't get the best, rookies or show number base cards, but a lot of fun and hit it with that Le'Veon Bell. So that's it for this break, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.